Hey guys, it's Dave from Platen Machinery. Today we're going to overview our STEELTAILOR LEGEND B52 CNC plasma cutter. Our B52 is a combination plasma and etching engraving head. It's one of our most popular models that we sold over the last 5 years. The particular size of the table here is a 1.5 by 3 metre table, heavy duty gantry type. So just over here, we've got the standard plasma cutting head there. So we've got the torch actually fitted there. We've got the etching engraving head. So the etching engraving head is fantastic for fold lines, bend lines, general marking, engraving, etc. And the black box just over here is your THC, so that's your torch height control. So that basically controls your torch up and down like you've got a corrugated sheet basically. It'll arc voltage all the way across. Heavy duty build table, as you can see, we've got a 100mm by 100mm box section frame, gantry style. Simply put the sheet in here, there's your squaring arms, there's your locking device to square your sheet up the table. We've got roller balls all the way down the side there, so the gantry head will reposition in the very back part of the machine, so that'll give you full access to your 1.5 by 3 metre cutting area loading. On our B52 series as well, we also have included as part of the package the light gauge roller ball head. So that simply fits over here, and when you're doing light gauge sheets, because it cuts as thin as 0.55, that roller head actually rolls over your material to keep it nice and flat. Right, so running around the machine, we've got the main control console just over here. Everything's basically mounted on here and ease of operating use. So the controller itself comes with all industry standard profiles, squares, PCDs, rounds, the whole lot. So simply jump in there and edit it. Your THC and arc voltage controller is all done via here as well. Now with programming of the machine, Fastcam Professional is included with the package itself. It's an Australian supplied product and also supported. So Fastcam Industrial software program is supplied. Now what happens there is that gets loaded up. You've got an individual licensed dongle serial number, so that's your own licensed software that goes in the office. All your DXF CAD files gets exported or into your Fastcam, and that becomes your cutting part. So simply come out here for nesting, drawing, everything, and then you upload that via USB, and then you start cutting. It is very, very simple to use. So run around the machine itself, rack and pinion guides here. We've got lineal bearings, lineal guides. As I said, very good frame construction. We've got the slats that are obviously replaceable, subject to your use. You can cut those on your guillotine or on your plasma. Being a downdraft table, you've also got your catch tray there as well, so when you're doing your small parts, simply grab those from your catch tray. Around the back here, downdraft table as well. We'll have a exit fan, so the fan can be ducted into a fume extraction system that we can also supply as well. We have our Clearmaster fume extraction system. Now this particular machine, our Legend B52, is coupled up, is packaged up with our AB angle blade 100 power saw. So that's a blind piercing cut, 20mm carbon steel capacity. So you can cut as thin as I said, 0.55 up to 20mm piercing cut, side cut, severance cut, probably twice as thick, but that's the main package. So 100 amp power source, Legend B52, 1.5 by 3 metre bed, plasma head, etching head, engraving head, Fastcam software, great package. It's all online. We've also just released a new website called cncplasmaforsale.com.au, so jump on. It's an easy 1, 2, 3, 4 step to basically run through and choose your table, your power source, your filters, your compressors, your extraction systems. Very, very simple. So jump onto that website now. We'll do a little cut over here. We've pre-programmed a bit of 20mm plate just over here, and we will press and enter and watch that cut. See what we're actually cutting at the moment. So it's gone through the second circle, it's gone down to the third circle. So that's your cutting part. So we're going to cut out 4 circles and then go to the outside and cut out the outside of the scope hole.
Tag on there at the moment. We just run a lead out.
Like that. That gives you the general overview of what we've just done. We've just cut some 20mm plates. Thanks, Kalen. We've just done a basic little cut there. We've cut 100 sort of square section out of 20mm plate and 4 holes. There's a little bit of dross there, but you can clean that up afterwards. But that gives you an overview on how simple this machine is and how versatile this machine is. So jump onto assetplan.com.au and also try our new CNC Plasma website, cncplasmasforsales.com.au. Thanks and have a great day.